Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get time-worn black stones in Black Desert Online. These valuable items are essential for enhancing specific gear, particularly Narchelin equipment, which provides a significant boost for new adventurers. We'll cover the main ways to acquire them, from defeating monsters to completing quests, ensuring you can efficiently gather what you need for your character's progression. The primary way to acquire time-worn black stones is by defeating monsters across the world. Many daily and weekly quests also offer these stones as rewards, providing a consistent source. Keep an eye out for special in-game events, as they frequently include these valuable items among their prizes. Exploring and engaging with various content will help you gather them. For efficient farming, focus on monster zones in regions like Media and Valencia, where drops are more common. Completing daily and weekly quests is a steady method to accumulate them without extensive grinding. If you prefer group play, consider teaming up with others in popular grind spots. This can significantly increase your overall acquisition rate and make the process more enjoyable. Time-worn black stones are primarily used to enhance Narchelin gear, which is a powerful set designed for new and returning adventurers. This enhancement process is unique because it does not consume other items or fail, making it very reliable. Additionally, you can exchange these stones for other valuable items, offering flexibility in how you utilize your hard-earned resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.